Hey guys, what is up? Cam Jennings here. I am at the end of my first day really doing triple threat marketing using the push button cash machine system. It is 11:10 p.m. and I just want to show you guys where I'm at. 721 earned today using the system. And just want to kind of show you my history here of what happened. I know I showed you guys this in the first video, but I want to show you what's happened since then. Okay, so this is what happened. I was sitting at $1 after I invested in those ad packs. Okay, you see it starting to climb. 136, 637, 673, 709, 746, 1247, 1283, 1319, and then 1820. Okay, pretty cool. Alright, pretty cool. Okay, so the way I understand what I think I'm going to do now is I'm going to come back over here to add shares. So what we're going to do is going to take our money that we have earned today on this, and we're going to just reinvest it. So we're going to use our PayPal balance here that we've earned, this money that we've earned today. We're going to invest it. These are $3 a piece, so we'll just buy 4 of them, and we'll just reinvest this. Oh, my bad. I can only buy 50 of these a day. Like I said, guys, I'm still learning the system a little bit. Okay, so I've already bought 50 a day on that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to invest this, and I guess we'll just buy another one of these. Successfully purchased. Alright, that was easy. Okay, so basically what I'm doing is I'm just reinvesting my earnings into the ad shares. And what that's going to do is that's going to compound interest. So let's look here. 50 of those in ad pack 1, they earned $15 today. Ad pack 2 earned $2 today. One thing I noticed, guys, is that when you come over here to buy ad shares, looks like shares expire at 125%. So what I'm thinking that means is that when you reach 125% of the value of the share, which is $3 at 120% of $3. So let's take a look at this here, and I'm guessing here, guys. I don't know exactly how this works. So at 360, so 60 cents per share. You can earn up to 60 cents per share plus your initial $3 back. So once you get past your initial $3, you'll earn 60 cents per ad share, okay? And then the share expires once it reaches that 60 cents. So that's what you have there with the $3 ones. Now with the $7 ones, they expire at 125%. So that means 7 times 125%. 7 times 5%. So 875. So it's a big difference. It's a big difference. So basically, you earn 60 cents. 60 cents, profit after you get paid back per share on this one. You earn $1.75 on this one. So you earn a little bit more, and once you hit that $1.75 per share, it expires. That's the way I understand it. I'm not sure if that's right or not. Like I said, there's a little bit of a learning curve here. I'm still learning this stuff. And maybe some of that's just because I don't like to read. I mean, I do read, but for some reason I have an aversion to reading directions. I don't know why. But anyways, that's basically what I see happening here. Share expires at 125%. I'm guessing once you earn 125% ROI on the cost, then the share expires. The way I understand it. So that's what the deal is. I know that you can only withdraw $100 a day, which equals about $3,000 a month that you can pull out, which is, it's fine. To me, it's like you take the initial investment and you just compound it and compound it and compound it and make it work, and you move on. You deal with that original investment. Okay, I'm gonna get back with you guys at about 1 in the morning, and I'm gonna walk you guys through what you have to do to keep your ads relevant, to keep them earning. So you see right here where it says all of your active shares in this plan are qualified for earning. To get them qualified for earning, you have to surf like 10 web pages a day or something like that, and I'll show you guys what that's all about in a couple hours here. So anyways, I'll catch up to you.